Hello and welcome to my review on Degiro. Degiro is a European-based brokerage firm. They do have offices in London, but they also have specific uh, firms in Amsterdam and the like. So they're highly regulated throughout the EU, and they offer pretty much everything that you can trade, with maybe the exception of forex. Um, you can see that it's 50 exchanges across 30 different countries, and they offer shares. They offer leverage products. So this would be, like ETFs, futures, those types of things. They offer bonds, options, uh, again, futures and CFDs. So they are basically everything but a Forex broker. Um, and you have access to like the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Singapore Exchange, and then, of course, all of the major European exchanges. They are highly regulated, as you would expect, being in the EU. They don't even have an initial deposit, which is nice. It's minimum is 1 pence. That way you can just basically open up the account and then you deposit whatever you need. Now, obviously you're not going to take out a futures position with that. You need to have the appropriate liquidity to open up a position, but it is possible. Should be noted though, the only withdrawal or deposit option that you have is through a bank account, basically an e-check. This is their platform, pretty straightforward, pretty basic. So if you're looking for massive technical analysis, that's the one major uh, downfall of using this brokerage. They also have the app that you can get on Google Play or the App Store, pretty straightforward. They have a nice about section. They tell you, who they are. They originally started in the Netherlands, but they've expanded. I happen to be looking at the UK side, so depending on your home country, you may or may not be regulated, maybe in the Netherlands or London or United Kingdom or Belgium, wherever the situation may be. They have a pretty nice knowledge section. They got the Investors Academy, which is pretty good. They've got a blog too, but the Academy I like. I mean, you can start out, basic financial products, spreading risk is the key, order types, what's your plan, that type of thing. And each one of these will have a multitude of videos inside of it. So it's actually a lot deeper than it looks at first blush. With the spreads and conditions, the spreads are going to be based upon the exchanges, not them. They charge commissions. Um, and in the fees, you can see they kind of lay it out. Um, they have a comparison of the other, in this case, UK-based brokerage firms. But Tesco, £1,000, worth of Tesco would be 197. I mean, it's dirt cheap, as you can see, in a lot of these different uh, financial instruments compared to some of the larger brokerages. Now, again, there are some things that you're giving up. The education system's a little deeper than it looks at first, but it's a good place to start. But obviously, if you want high-end technical analysis, that type of thing, then you may have to look elsewhere for that type of information. But with the money that you save in commissions, one would think that certainly it's worth the hassle of looking at a couple different web pages. Um, Really, at this point, they've been around for about 15 years or so. No really bad reviews or anything like that. No complaints that I've seen with any of the regulatory bodies. So a very good broker. Definitely one that, unless you're wanting to trade FX only, this might be an excellent place to put your money.